your living room TV wall is no longer just a spot to hang a screen, it's the centerpiece of your home. In 2025 and moving into 2026, modern TV unit designs are redefining how we decorate living rooms, combining sleek style, smart storage, and creative wall decoration. Today, we're exploring the freshest TV cabinet trends and wall design ideas that can instantly upgrade your space. The TV unit has evolved from a simple stand into a full statement piece. Designers are focusing on functionality, minimalism, and aesthetics that seamlessly blend technology with decor. Whether you prefer floating cabinets, wall-mounted designs, or bold feature walls, the latest trends bring style and sophistication into your living space. Let's look at the most modern and stylish TV unit ideas dominating 2025 to 26. 1. Floating TV units. Floating TV units are sleek, space-saving, and perfect for modern homes. Mounted directly on the wall, they free up floor space, making rooms feel larger and less cluttered. Choose designs with hidden drawers or open shelving for a mix of practicality and clean lines. 2. Wall-to-wall TV cabinets. Large living rooms are embracing full-wall units that integrate TV screens, display shelves, and storage. These custom setups allow for books, art pieces, and even hidden cabinets to blend seamlessly with your entertainment system, creating a luxury built-in look. 3. Minimalist TV walls. Simplicity is key in 2025. Minimalist TV walls with clean lines, neutral tones, and hidden wiring keep the focus on sleek design. Pair them with subtle LED backlighting for a soft, modern glow that enhances the viewing experience. 4. Wood and natural finishes. Natural materials are making a comeback. Wood-paneled TV units in walnut, oak, or teak add warmth and elegance to contemporary spaces. Pairing wood with stone or matte laminates creates a balanced mix of rustic and modern aesthetics. 5. Glass and glossy accents. For a modern luxe feel, glass and glossy finishes are trending. High-gloss cabinets, tinted glass doors, and reflective surfaces create a sleek look that pairs perfectly with modern lighting and metallic decor. 6. LED backlit panels. Lighting is no longer just functional, it's decorative. Backlit TV panels with LED strips give your living room a futuristic edge. You can opt for warm ambient lighting for cozy evenings or color-changing LEDs to set the mood for entertainment. 7. Geometric and textured walls. Instead of flat backgrounds, 2025 to 26 is all about textured wall panels, 3D patterns, and geometric shapes behind the TV. PVC, MDF, and stone-clad panels add depth and transform your TV wall into a bold design feature. 8. TV units with hidden storage. Clutter-free living is the trend. Modern TV cabinets now feature concealed drawers, sliding panels, and hidden compartments to store cables, remotes, and gaming accessories, keeping everything organized without sacrificing style. 9. Mixed material combinations. Designers are mixing wood, glass, stone, and metal for unique, layered TV units. For example, a matte black cabinet with a marble background and brass accents can instantly elevate your living room to a luxury standard. 10. Integrated fireplace and TV units. One of the hottest luxury trends is combining TV walls with built-in fireplaces. This setup creates a warm, cozy focal point while maintaining a sleek, modern vibe, perfect for larger living rooms. Styling and decor ideas. Add floating shelves on either side of your TV for decor pieces, books, or plants. Use accent lighting to highlight textures like stone or wood panels. Keep wiring hidden for a clean, professional look. Pair your TV unit with a modern rug, statement sofa, or wall art for a cohesive design. From floating units to full wall installations, from natural wood textures to futuristic LED panels, the modern TV unit designs of 2025 to 26 prove that your entertainment area can be both stylish and functional. With these ideas, your TV wall isn't just where you watch. It becomes the true centerpiece of your living room decor.